Have you created videos using Google Flow and can't find an option to replace objects from your video? This trick will help you do exactly that. Open the scene builder of the video that you want to edit and hover over the video and click the edit button from the menu here and select on the insert option, then drag over the area of the object that you want to replace and make sure it's bigger than the object, and then describe the object that you want to add and click enter. What you need to keep in mind is that there's no direct option to replace an object, so you can use insertion to give an effect that looks like you're replacing the object, but it might cause issue if you're trying to replace an object that moves a lot or the camera angle changes around it a lot. So keeping that in mind, select a bigger area and an appropriate prompt. So here's the output and you can see the dog over here, but like what I was talking about, you can see the previous object as it started to move. So this is a trick that might help you replace an object in Google Flow.